Yeah, either you like it or not, your business needs transformation. I want to believe that you are tired of how your business is actually going. The way your business is going, you will surely need a change. Like, you want a kind of improvement in your business. So that's the reason transformation is needed in your business. Now, the types of transformation I want to talk about, I will talk about three. The first one is data transformation. Data transformation. That one is leveraging data analysis and insight to drive decision making. Let me tell you one thing. There are some data analysis that you should be doing, that when you see the results of the analysis, then you will know a kind of decision that you should make. The outcome of the data analysis that you've done regarding your business, if you do it anyway, because there are some people that they are just working and there is no way to track how things are going in their business. But when you are able to track the process of your business through data analysis, you will know how to make the right decision. So data transformation is one of the things that you will need in transforming your business. The next one is sustainability transformation. Sustainability transformation. How can you sustain your business? Let me tell you, see, sustaining of business is not easy, but for some people that understands, or let me say that understood how business should go, they know how to sustain business. You can be doing well in your business, but after some years, come and check the business again. Is the business still functioning? Sustainability in business is very important. Anything that you are doing, this mindset should be in your mind that, hey, how can I sustain this business? There are some business that they started and after some period of time, they went down again. They were unable to sustain their business. So sustainability transformation is one of the things that you still need. You must have the mindset of how you can sustain your business. Then the last one is change management transformation. Managing and implementing organizational change. Managing and implementing organizational change. There are some changes in your organization that you need to think about. As your business is growing, as things are going on in your business, you should have it in mind that there should be a changes. Your business cannot just be the same way how it was 2 years ago, and that is the same way that your business is still like that now. It shouldn't be. That means there is no growth in your business. So there should be a positive changes in your business. So the three things that I'll talk about regarding transforming your business: data transformation, that's number one. Then the next one is sustainability transformation, how you can sustain your business. Then the last one is change management transformation. There are a lot to learn from me when it comes to business. Follow all my social media. Follow me on TikTok. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. You will learn a lot. You will learn a lot from me. Blessing Olaniyi is my name. I am an e-commerce promoter and a business coach. Contact me for your next project. Thank you.